Bargain Hunter Sportsman Racing. Oh, baby. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Justin Sellers is setting the pace. Everybody's jumpy. Everybody wants a win. Who's got Garrick Fry? Here they come. Green flag and we're racing. Into turn one they go. It's going to be Robinson to try to pull away from Sellers. Here comes his brother Trevor Robinson to pass Sellers. Fry going to the outside, slides right in front of Featherston. Woo, that was close. Howie Ware following with Featherston. Fry trying to hang on battle with Sellers now as Johnny Robinson, your 2019 track champion, is in the lead. And his brother is right behind him. Right now on the Garrick Fry going by the outside of Justin Sellers. So these are faster cars. Not sure if the inside is doing a lot better for them yet. We'll see. Trevor on the inside of his brother Johnny. We got a challenge for the lead. So they are coming around here. Johnny Robinson, Trevor Robinson, side by side. I already see a scuff mark on Trevor's car. Sibling rivalry, I guess. I don't know. Garrick Fry coming into the brothers, running third. Sellers in fourth, Featherston in fifth, and Howie Ware in the Joe Shear throwback in sixth. Once again here, the battle for the lead. Trevor and Johnny, brother and brother. I wonder if they fought a lot growing up. Hard to say. I'm sure that, we got a caution out as the 21 of Bill Schott spins around there. So, like I said, the Kona Challenge will be coming out here. Bill Schott's okay. We got 5 down, 20 to go. As they're coming around. And they are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come! Green flag and we're racing! It almost looked like somebody checked. Oh, Josh Lundy and Adam Cartwright got a little interesting right there going into 1 and 2. And Garrick Fry taking advantage of Trevor Robinson being on the inside. Garrick Fry in second, and that rear end almost come all the way around. Fry putting the heat on Robinson. So Fry's in the middle of a family rivalry. How about that? Here comes Robinson on the inside of Fry. We got a big body Monte Carlo versus a small body Monte Carlo. Whoa, side by side. Here comes Trevor. Garrick Fry. Oh, Garrick Fry getting into the back of Johnny Robinson. 68 of Steven Erickson Jr. Whoa, Robinson almost goes sideways. As Garrick Fry may have got into his back end there, but the 68 of Steven Erickson Jr., the rookie driver this year, pulls it off into the pits. So I don't think we're getting along in the front very well between Fry and Robinson there. And the late, great Austin Fowlers decided to join us now here. So Fry and Robinson really beating and banging out here at the Rockford Speedway. And it's going to be Justin Sellers to start looking at Johnny Robinson. Right now, his brother Trevor Robinson and his dad's 1993 throwback scheme. All sponsors, everything original for Trevor Robinson. And we've got a great battle between John Featherston working on the inside of Josh Lundy. See what happens there. They're coming up on Ware. All right, John Featherston getting around Lundy, going to try to make a move on Ware. That inside's working for John Featherston. So right now we are single file with the first 4 cars. Howie Ware feeling a challenge from John Featherston in the 47. Josh Lundy right there. We got a battle for the middle of the field there. 10 to go this time by Rockford Speedway for Trevor Robinson. So we've got Robinson, Fry, Robinson, Sellers, and Howie Ware. That's your top 5. John Featherston starting to feel some pressure from Adam Cartwright now. Cartwright looking to the inside of Featherston. And then Justin Sellers starting to look to the inside of Johnny Robinson. Austin Fowler on the 29 just trying to get some laps there, at least to start claiming points there, as he did not get to come out here and start with the field. So right now your real close battle is for third place between Johnny Robinson and Justin Sellers. Trevor Robinson is looking real good right now, starting to come into lap traffic. It could play a part. Let's see what happens. Sellers on the inside of Robinson. Those two are side by side. Everything okay. Bill Schott went to the inside. So far, so good. 5 to go this time by. And it's getting close. We're running out of laps. Who's it going to be? Trevor Robinson coming around. We got 2 to go this time by. I don't know if Garrett Fry can catch him. Trevor Robinson's been running good all day long. White flag this time by for Trevor Robinson. And back there in third place there, Johnny Robinson still holding off Justin Sellers. But here comes your winner, Rockford Speedway. It's going to be Trevor Robinson, followed by Garrett Fry, who's coming in third. Johnny Robinson, Justin Sellers, Howie Ware for 5th, Josh Lundy 6th, John Featherston 7th, Adam Cartwright 8th. Wow, that's loud down here. Wow, what a race. And he's got his dad's throwback going on. I know he's a very happy man. Are we going to burn out? Maybe. Yeah, we're going to burn out. Nope, no, we're not. He psyched us out. All right. God, I love this car. I love the big body style Monte Carlos. I remember when that's all they ran here. And the wheels off. Ridge Runner Racing sponsored number 88, changed his number. He was 99 last year, but this year, this car is dedicated to his dad, Johnny Robinson the first. All right, he's almost ready. I actually have a better view down here. As he is taking a break. I know it's hot, 25 grueling laps, very hot, very humid. These guys are wearing double layer suits. There he goes, the hat's on. Rockford Speedway, make some noise. Here he is, Trevor Robinson. Oh, he's standing up, all right. Trevor, this has to mean so much to you. Come on over here just for a quick minute. Come on over just for a minute. This is your dad's throwback scheme, as you told me. This has got to be very meaningful for you tonight. Tell us about the car.
Yeah, I was born in 1993, and I'm always a throwback kind of guy, even though I'm a young one. But if it wasn't for my dad, none of us brothers would be racing, so I always pay tribute to him. I think he's the best that ever graced Rockford Speedway, him and Dick Trickle, and he got the purple because of Trickle. And pretty nice getting in victory lane. Too bad it's the COVID stuff. It'd be awesome to get my dad out here to take a picture of me.
Heck yeah, well, I know your dad. I'm sure you're going to tell him all about it. He'll know. But once again, congratulations, Trevor. Fans, once again, Trevor Robinson. All right, good luck, buddy. Good run.